Over the past months, I've covered several in-depth ways to generate real estate leads. And oftentimes, I share tips throughout the videos but fail to really emphasize the importance of the tip that I'm sharing. So today, I wanted to create one video full of tips that will help you generate more real estate leads using Facebook ads. Let's begin. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Question of the day: what has helped you generate more real estate leads? Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, so full disclaimer, this list of tips to generate more real estate leads is going to be all over the board. I'll be highlighting specific items within the ad creation process that don't necessarily operate independently. So in other words, you'll need a basic understanding of what Facebook ads are and how to run them in order to get the most out of this list. The first tip is having a quality lead magnet. Have something of value that people actually want. Provide something that's useful that people will gladly exchange their information for. And try to make this quality lead magnet relevant to your offer. Ultimately what you're after, which is a real estate transaction. The second tip is use video in your ad campaigns. Video will make your ad more engaging and it'll cause people to pause just a little bit longer on your ad. Having movement in your ad will increase your click-through rate. If you only happen to have images, you can use the turn into video feature on Facebook. Overall, if done correctly, you'll see much more engagement using video. Now, the third tip is install your Facebook pixel and run retargeting ads. I can't say this enough, install your Facebook pixel. I just have to say it over and over and over. Install your Facebook pixel in your websites today. The quicker that you do that, the larger the audience that you're going to have when you're retargeting. As you retarget, you're enhancing your brand and increasing your conversions. The more and more people see you, the more they're likely to use you in their next real estate transaction. Now, the fourth tip is run a conversion ad. For this, you will need the Facebook pixel and have created a custom conversion. So there's no way to get around that Facebook pixel installation. Facebook conversions optimize what matters to you, whether that's a lead or whether that's a sale. Facebook is gonna optimize your conversions and deliver the ad to those audiences that are most likely to act. And another huge benefit of conversion ads is that they stretch your marketing budget further. The fifth tip is digging into audience insights. You have so much data available to you. And by going to the audience insights, you're able to identify audiences that could be receptive to your offer. You're also gonna find similar audiences to the ones that are already working for you. So you don't have to create guessing at the audiences that are available to you as you're creating your ad and are at the ad set screen searching for audiences that you can target. Audience Insights is one of the most underutilized tools today. So check it out. One quick favor before continuing, please be sure to hit the like button so this video's reach is magnified and others benefit. Split testing drives your marketing costs lower by identifying those campaigns, those audiences, and those ads that cost the least amount. I don't see split testing as an option. I see it as a necessity because what's working today may not work tomorrow, next week, or next month. So you need to keep evolving because at the end of the day, the lead cost will rise and you need to find a way to reduce it. Tip number 7, reduce friction. Either use the lead campaign on Facebook or have effective landing pages. You don't want to send paid traffic to your regular website because they will get lost and will get confused. You'll be hurting your conversion by sending people on a discovery mission. You don't want additional noise or additional friction between you and your future client. Tip number 8, have an effective ad copy. Make it easy to read, clear, and understandable. And most importantly, have a compelling call to action. You want to coach your audience into that next step, which is giving you their contact information. And as a reminder, create an offer worth having. A bonus tip is upload your database and create a custom audience. This isn't necessarily for more leads because your database is a collection of leads. However, it will increase your conversions. Well, that's it. Let me know if I missed any tips that are worthy to be on this list. Outside of that, if you found value in this video, please be sure to subscribe so we can talk again soon.